Good morning, my dear student. Let's take number 2 of circle class 9. It is from exercise 10.4. If two chords of a circle intersect each other within the circle, prove that the segment of one chord are equal to the corresponding segment of other chord. Means AB and CD are two chords of a circle with center O intersect each other at P, and the segment of one chord means CP and CD are respectively equal to AP and BP. So we have to prove that AP equal to CP and BP equal to DP. We have to prove this. For this purpose, let's construct OM perpendicular to AB, ON perpendicular to CD, and join OP like this. So construction: OM is perpendicular to AB, ON is perpendicular to CD, and join OP. Let's prove this. In triangle OPM and OPN, in triangle OPM and triangle OPN, what are equal? It is given that AB and CD are two equal chords, so distance from the center to equal chords are equal. So we can write OM equal to ON. Equal chords are equidistant. Are equidistant from the center of a circle. Now OP is common side. We can write OP equal to OP. This is common for both triangles. Then angle OMP is equal to angle OMP equal to angle ONP. Both are right angles. This implies that triangle OPM is congruent to triangle OPN. By which rule? This is right angle and hypotenuse and side. RHS congruence rule. If two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are also equal. So we can write PM equal to PN. PM equal to PN. Now OM is perpendicular to AB, so we can write OM is perpendicular to AB, so we can write half of AB equal to BM, or that is also equal to AM, and ON is perpendicular to CD, so we can write half of CD equal to CN and DN. AB and CD are equal, so half of AB and half of CD must be equal, so we can write BM equal to DN. BM equal to DN, or this implies that adding PM and PN on both sides, let it be equation 1 and let it be equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, equation 1 plus 2, we can get BM plus PM is equal to PN plus DN. In this way also we can write BM plus PM equal to BM plus PM is equal to BP, and PN plus DN equal to DP. So second bit is proved. Now AB equal to CD it is given. AB equal to CD it is given, or this implies that AB minus BP equal to CD minus DP. We can subtract same thing from LHS and RHS of a equation. AB minus BP is AP and CD minus DP is CP. So first one is also proved. So Number 2 of exercise 10.4 is proved now. Thank you.